you still running your e-commerce business manually and replying to customers all by yourself? Then I am here to convert your manual chaos to magical automation. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to create an AI assistant for e-commerce business. So right before you on my screen you can see somewhat my AI assistant look like this. So now I'm going to show you how you can create an AI assistant for your own e-commerce business, which is going to interact with your customers 24/7 and provide answers to their queries by using the knowledge base which you have provided to it, and that knowledge base must contain the details of your business. So this AI assistant is going to automate your conversations with your customers and it can interact with them 24/7. So now I'm going to show you how you can create this amazing AI assistant for your own business. But before that, I'm going to show you the real working of this automation or this AI assistant. So for testing this, let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I'm going to send a message to the number which I've already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as test number. So now I'm going to enter a message that is, hey, I need help, and I have entered this message as user's first message in my AI assistant. Now you might be thinking, what is this user's first message? So I'm going to answer it while creating our AI assistant. So now I'm going to enter this message and my AI assistant will respond to me within some seconds, and here you can see my AI assistant has responded to me with a message that is, of course, what do you need help with? I am here to assist you. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this message, and as I have provided this message, my AI assistant will fetch the data from the knowledge base which I have provided to it, and here you can see this is the knowledge base I have provided to my AI assistant, and my AI assistant will respond to me by fetching the data from this knowledge base. And now let's move on to my WhatsApp again, and here you can see my AI assistant has responded to me with a message consisting of the products provided by this business. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant for testing its working. So here I am going to enter this message that is, please provide me the details of electronics items you provide. Now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant, and here you can see my AI assistant has responded to me with details of the electronics items provided by this business. Now let's enter one more question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this question that is, what payment method do you provide? And now let's wait for the response, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with some of the payment method provided by this business. Now let's move on to my knowledge base to check whether is this the data I have provided over there or not. So by looking at the knowledge base, you can see that my AI assistant is responding me with same data which I have provided here, means there's no chances of getting wrong. So you can also create this amazing AI assistant for your own business, and for that you have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can simply click over this sign in, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow you get 100 free credits every month for practicing Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant updates regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us, and if you wish to join the Pabbly community you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over this sign in as I already have an account, and once you finish your sign up you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an AI assistant, we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app by clicking on this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. And if you want to learn more about this process of adding WhatsApp number you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, and if you want to learn more about these features you can find video link in the description given below. Now as we are going to create an AI assistant we have to click over the AI assistant given on the sidebar, and as you will click over the AI assistant you will be landed to this AI assistant page, and here you can see these are the AI assistant I have created. And if you want to create your own AI assistant you just have to click over this add AI assistant button, and here you have to provide the assistant name. So now I'm going to provide it the name Shop Ease, which is the name of my brand. So here I have provided it the name Shop Ease AI Assistant. Now we just have to click over this Add AI Assistant button, and here we are landed to the Assistant page, where we are landed to this AI Instruction tab, and on this AI Instruction tab we are getting this option for selecting the instruction type. So from here you can select any of these instruction type. Now if you want to select this custom prompt, you can select it and you will be getting this prompt instruction, but here I am going to select AI Agent, as I am going to create an AI assistant. And you can even select customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, life coach and futuristic fashion advisor, but here I am going to select AI Agent, and here I am getting instructions. So you can modify these instructions according to you, and afterwards we are getting this AI configuration section, where we are getting this option for temperature. So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But here I am going to keep it as 0.5, as this is the most friendly temperature. And afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the AI to use. So here I am going to select this Open AI, and afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the model. So here I am going to select my model as GPT-4o mini, and here we are landed to this API key section. So for getting the API key, you just have to visit this help text which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So for getting this API key, let's move on to the OpenAI API's key page, and here we are landed to this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key button, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and afterwards you simply have to click over this create secret key button and your API key will be created. But I have already created my API key, so I will be just pasting it over here. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up which says OpenAI key saved successfully, and afterwards we are getting this AI assistant settings section, where we are getting the option for managing some of the settings. So here we are getting the option for entering the header message, so you just have to enable it and enter the header message, and same for the footer message, you just have to enable it and enter the footer message. And now we are getting this option for entering the stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. So for entering it, you just have to enable it. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word stop. So for that you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our stop keyword is ready. And now I'm not going to provide any stop keyword, so I will be just disabling it. And afterwards we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10. So here you can enter the number from 1 to 10, but here I am going to disable it. And afterwards we are getting this option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and here we are already getting a fallback message, but you can provide fallback message according to you. And now with this we are done with our AI instruction tab. Now let's move on towards the knowledge source, and here you have to provide the knowledge base which contains the details of your business, and you have to remember that your file format will be only accepted in .txt or .pdf, and in .pdf if you have any image then there is a limitation of 10 pages, but if you don't have any image then no worries, we don't have any limitation for that. Now for getting the file in either of these format, you just have to go to the knowledge base which you have created, and here on the file section you will be getting this option for download, and on the download section you can see we are getting some of the formats in which we can download the file. So from here you can download your file in .txt or .pdf, and I have already downloaded my file, so I will be uploading it over my AI assistant. So now let's click over this button, and here we are landed to my download section, where you can see this knowledge base, that is knowledge base for e-commerce store. So I am going to upload it, and as I have uploaded my file, I am getting this pop-up which says file uploaded and processed successfully, and here I am getting the name and the vector ID as well. So with this we have managed our knowledge source. Now let's configure our assistant interface, and on this assistant interface tab we are getting this option for header display heading name. So now I am going to provide my brand name as my heading name, that is Shop Ease, and you can see that this heading name is also appearing over the preview of your chatbot on the right side. And afterwards afterwards we are getting this option for header display subheading name, and we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you. And this subheading name is also appearing over the preview of your chatbot on the header section as a subheading name. So you can even provide the subheading name also. And afterwards we are getting this option for initial message, and here we are already getting an initial message, that is hi there, how can I help you today. And this initial message is also appearing over the preview of your chatbot. And now if you want to create your own initial message, you just have to type it. Now let's say I want to provide one more initial message, that is hello. So for that you just have to type it and press the enter key. And here are another initial message is also ready, but you can create only two initial messages. So I will be removing this initial message from here. And afterwards we are getting this option for display the powered by Pabbly label. So this powered by Pabbly label has been appearing over the preview of your chatbot. Now let's disable it and see the changes. And as I have disabled it, the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared from the preview of your chatbot. But here I am going to keep it as enable. You can select it according to you. And afterwards we are getting this option for footer text, and we are already getting a footer text, that is privacy policy, which is appearing over the preview of your chatbot. And afterwards we are getting this option for footer link, so you can provide the footer link as well. And at last we are getting this option for users first message, and here we are already getting a users first message, but here I am going to convert it as hey I need help. And this is the users first message which I have entered while testing our AI assistant in my WhatsApp, and this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. So with this we are done with our assistant interface also. Now let's move on to the styling section and customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant. And on this styling tab we are getting this option for selecting the theme mode, which is already selected as light. Now let's change it to dark and see the changes. And here you can see as I have selected the dark theme mode, the changes can be seen on the preview of your chatbot, but I am going to keep it as light over here. And afterwards we are getting this option for assistant shape. So from here you can select the assistant shape, and afterwards we are getting some of the properties of the WhatsApp chatbot for which we can change the coloring. So now let's say I want to change the assistant background color, so I am going to select another color for this. And now let's say I am going to select this color, and as I have selected this color, the changes can be seen on the preview of your chatbot. So likewise you can change the coloring for many properties of your AI assistant. And afterwards we are getting this option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture. So if you want to provide any kind of these profiles, you can provide it over here. So with this we have successfully created our AI assistant. Now we just have to enable it. So for that you just have to activate this toggle, and afterwards for saving our AI assistant you simply have to click over the save AI assistant. And here you can see we are receiving this pop-up, which means we have successfully saved our AI assistant. Now if you want to embed this AI assistant to your business, you simply have to click over this embed button and you will be getting this script code. So you just have to paste this script code to your business and AI assistant will be embedded to your business. Now as we have successfully created our AI assistant, now I am going to show you how you can enable AI assistant for your all contacts or for a particular chat. And if you want to enable AI assistant for your all contacts or for a particular contact list, you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting this option for inbox settings, which you have to select, and you will be landed to this inbox settings page where you just have to scroll down, and at last you will be getting this option for enable AI auto replies, which you have to enable. And afterwards from here you can select the contact list or your all contacts for which you want to enable this AI assistant, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. And afterwards you simply have to click over the save button and your AI assistant will be enabled for your contact list or for your all contact. Now I'm going to show you how you can enable AI assistant for a particular chat. So for that you just have to click over the inbox given on the sidebar, and you will be landed to this inbox page where you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and on this particular number you can see I'm getting this option for choose AI assistant on the right side, which you have to enable. And from here you have to select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So here I'm going to select this AI assistant which I have recently created, that is shop is AI assistant. Now we just have to click over the save button, and here our AI assistant has been enabled successfully. So this is the way you can create AI assistant and enable it for your particular chat or for your all contact. So in this video you have seen how easily I have built in this AI assistant even without a single word coding. So you can also create this AI assistant for your own business, which is going to automate your all conversations with your clients and reduce your manual workload. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing AI assistants like this. And And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any doubt, you can post it over the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.